Just your little friendly reminder that it's that time of year again, folks. The 100-year-old cattle drive is happening up here in Gunnison County, so there just might be cows on the road. Full-time RV life, real full-time RV folks. What's up? And there he goes. Say, man. Say, man, I'm from YouTube, and I want to ask you. I'm from YouTube. I want to ask you a couple questions about campground.
Sir. What can I do for you?
You up for that?
Yes, sir.
Cool. What's your name, dude?
My name is Damon. Damon Goldman. They call me Damon Gold.
Damon Gold. What are you doing out here?
I'm just hanging out in the woods, making sure people are having a good time at the campground, making sure they have wood and cleaning it up.
Oh yeah?
Yes, sir.
What size campground is it?
What size? We got about 17 spots here. One available right now, almost full. So if you're looking for a spot, you better get in now.
It's called North Bank. Does that mean they're right on the side of the river?
Almont area here in Colorado. Beautiful Taylor Canyon. I'm jamming out to a little bit of music. We got a lot of climbing going on here, fishing going on here, hike going on here. We got everything you need.
All right, and so you got some riverfront sites?
Riverfront sites, mountain sites, wood sites, we got them all. And we got Dr. Park Trail right at the end here, so we got everything you need.
Okay, well we got somebody needing to come out, so real quick, what's the cost to camp here?
It's $18 a night, the wood's $10 a bundle, and everything and all the fun you need.
All right, I'm gonna finish my drive-through. I'll catch you back in a minute.
You finish it. I'll talk to you later. So
all
thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, now.
Yeah, it's a little bumpy getting in, but this is a beautiful, beautiful campground, and they've got information board up here with the rules and the rates and all that good stuff. And like Damon said, there are some riverfront sites, and there are some just across the little dirt road from the river. So if you're looking for a nice little peaceful campground along the river in the mountains in Colorado, just outside of Almont, where there's plenty of river rafting, 3 rivers, and a lot of fly fishing in the area. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful place. The trailhead for the Doctor's Park Trail is here. A lot of cyclists and what have you run that trail. It's really popular for the locals out here. There's that crazy camp host again up there. Let's see if I can track you down. I don't know where he's going. Oh, he's waving me to follow.
Hello!
Well, hey there again.
Welcome back to Colorado. How we doing?
Great, man.
Hope you had a good tour.
Yeah, I appreciate you letting me check it out.
Yes, sir. I hope you loved everything. Come back and see us real soon.
So what's the main reason people come out here and camp for?
I mean, look at this place. It's Colorado, man. We got everything you want. Boulders and mountains and trees and animals, people that are pretty cool, and me. So it's the best place to be, really. I love it out here.
Awesome. Awesome. Have a good one.
All right, you have a great one, man. Take care.